We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned when the price tag this line, and then we can expect the correction, and this is what we have it because we mentioned big correction. And if you refer to my last video, the price was here. We mentioned we're looking for buy, and the price if can drop a bit more, it can give us a better trade setup because we mentioned we're looking for this. No, the only question is now we want to see whether this is the one is going to tag this top, or still this is a correction relative to this for one move down. Okay, by the way, when we look at this in relative to this sharp move, if we get any buy setup from here, we take it, and when the price comes to this line or this top, we see if it's moving, we keep the trade. If not, we take out the trade. Okay, and if we move zoom in, because right now from what we have, this is a sharp move and this is a correction. Any buy from here, I will take it and I will start to manage it. But if we get the buy, we see this one is not moving, is moving really corrective, then we take out the trade, because I mentioned this one can be a correction for one move down. Okay, because now we have this one, and if this one drop one more, we buy from the low, it can give us a better trade setup. But how about now? We wait for this correction, any buy within having a tree above this, or if this one drop a bit more, if we get any trade setup, we take it. But the only thing is, if this is not moving, it's very corrective, we shouldn't stay with the trade. We take out the trade because we can expect for one move down before we get the next move. Okay, right now it depends on the traders. With how to trade it, or they know how to manage it, they can go with the trade. If not, they should stay away, because again, maybe this one can be one more drop. Okay, and if I move to this one, we just call it a short-term trade. Why? The reason we want to take it in case this is the one is going to break the top, because already we have this correction. Okay, and if we move to 15 minutes, all right, this is what we're looking for. We want to get the trade from here. And all right, how about if I move to daily chart? Okay, nothing's the only things we mentioned that if the price tag this line, we can expect the correction, and the only thing is how big this one can be before continuation. We cannot confirm right now. If I move to forward chart, nothing. The only thing is we move to 1 hour chart. The only thing is this is a short-term trade. We want to see whether we can get one move up or not. And if anyone wants to look for sell from this, that's why I mentioned if the price is not moving fast correctly, we can look for sell. The only time they can sell if they get the sharp move, like they can sell, and then if the price come to this level, they start to manage. But the only thing is whether they can get a good trade or not, it depends on them. And anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any changes or update, then I will share. Thanks.